All right, everybody, it's part 2 of the like weight loss series here at Descendant Best. I am here at Rocky Knob once again. Part 1 of this, I was trying to hit this trail. I'm about to hit Jumbo Shrimp, one of the newer ones here in the park, and it was not available because of a lot of tree work. Now, I looked at the tree work, and boy, it looks like an entire section of the forest is cleared, and I'll show that in a second. It doesn't look like just broken limbs or anything was replaced. It looks like they're, I don't know, are they making a new trail? That'd be cool. But yeah, I'm gonna hit Jumbo Shrimp here and continue to talk about like what it's like to mountain bike down 140 pounds. I haven't ridden this trail since I lost all that weight, since I got a knee replacement, so I imagine it's gonna be way more fun. Let's check it out. All right, so we're gonna start off with this thing that used to be something that I could never get up. And yeah, it's just I had so much weight off the back of the bike that it was nearly impossible. So if I'm able to do it in one of my old videos, consider it to have been like take 4. All right, now let's do this. Jumbo Shrimp. It is kind of wet today. You know, I planned on filming today because it wasn't supposed to rain at all for like 2 days, and it rained all of them. Yeesh. Yeah, it is a little slick. I don't know if that's a new jumper, what, but it was fun. Oh yeah. Sweet. All right, that's a little climb for section 2. Just a moment. All right, rock roll. Now, one of the big differences being at 140 pounds down is, of course, the climb to get up here. How different, you might ask? Well, I remember when I shot the boat rock video, it was a couple years ago. It took me, or I had to stop 28 times on the way to the summit. And today, that number was 4. And it's not just the number of stops, but like what the stops are like. Dude, before when I would stop, I mean, I had to stop because I was like, I couldn't catch my breath. And if you told me, hey, you've got to have some water right when I stopped, like I wouldn't have been able to. Because I couldn't breathe enough or like take a break. Ooh, wow, that's a good one. Never done that before. Where now, like the 4 stops I took today, yeah, I was breathing a bit, but I was able to drink water right away. Just a world of difference. I'm gonna go ahead and hope that what I just swallowed was dirt and not a bug. Either way, not ideal. I won't be doing the rock slab today because, like I said, it's a little wet. Last time I rode it and it was wet. It's like you get done with the slab and it's like a mud pit and you can't really turn on it. It's kind of dangerous. So just the normal trail today. I might have gotten mud on the lens there. Just a moment. All right. Yeah, the being able to stand up and pedal is kind of a game changer. Alt line. Janky. Yeesh. Oh, that's right. This section's really cool. Don't like mud puddles before trees. And near the end here of this section, I remember there being a little jut off to the side. Yeah. And there was a rock roll, I remember. I didn't do it. Here we go. Let's see what this is like. Oh, don't love the bump at the end. That's crazy. Hey, we did it. All right, here in the middle of nowhere. This is about the same, but I'm interested to see how the little rollers are at the end. Like if I could actually jump them. Let's find out. Yowza. A lot of loose stuff. Oh, this is my favorite part. All right. Oh, no wonder I couldn't jump these. I'm never going fast. Well, let's see if I can get the last one. Oh, hit a tree. Oh, my face hit a tree. Yeah, I'm getting a little higher now. That was wild. Glad it was just like a skinny branch. Yeah, I used to have to stop there and rest. That seems downright silly now. And what's cool is I'm still losing. Like, believe it or not, I used to be 185, and that's what I'm aiming for. So I'm, you know, over halfway home, but still got a lot to do. But I'm still losing every couple days, so thank goodness I haven't had to deal with like a plateau. Oh man, I miss this. This is the end of kindergarten, but it's still so fun. Well, as I finish up this trail, let me just say, if you're interested in kind of knowing how I lost all this weight, as far as diet, exercise, everything else, put a little note in the comments, because I've intentionally not really talked about it, mainly because as a video viewer, I kind of hate it when people who aren't health people pretend to be. I don't know what works for everybody, but I know what worked for me, and it's really the first thing that ever worked for me in my life, which is an absolute game changer to know that if I do gain some of this back, it isn't the end of the world. I can just lose it. It's so fun. We're just hopeful. So anyway, cheers guys, till the next ride.